How to get rid of dog hiccups. Slow down eating. Try feeding your dog smaller portions so they are not eating so fast. Calm irregular breathing. Assist your dog's breathing pattern to become more consistent and rhythmic. Getting him to lie on his back and giving him a good stomach rub usually helps the hiccups go away. Drink water. Like humans, drinking water can help with hiccups. Just make sure they drink it calmly and slowly. Hiccups are completely natural in dogs and should not be taken too seriously. You should take your dog to the vet if he gets hiccups for more than a few hours, or if they shift to a wheezing sound that causes irregular or difficult breathing. Hiccups that last an hour or more can indicate a variety of health problems. Subscribe to our channel for more pet information videos.